Today we will discuss on HTML heading. In HTML, how many types of heading are there? Okay. In the previous sessions, I had already covered uh, how to write the HTML code in HTML editor and how it run in the web browser, HTML overview, HTML elements. Okay, all these sessions I had already covered. If you have not yet covered this topic right now, then I have already added videos link in my descriptions current video. Okay, you go for now this video. After completing this video, then come back to that session so that you will able to understand what is going on right now. So same things I write this HTML structure inside the HTML structure inside the body section. Only for the body sections, what types of a tag we are learning in the coming future, in the coming sessions, all these things tags are should be right inside the body part. Okay, so here in HTML there are 6 types of heading are there. Okay, just like h1 tag, this is heading 1. This is the common thing, this is the optional, this is not a mandatory. According to you, you can change this content, but this is the mandatory. H1 and H1/H1 is mandatory for heading. The total thing is content. Okay, suppose I save this file and run this file. Okay, run this file in a browser like here. Look, so run this browser. The output is look like this is the heading 1. Okay, suppose I write H2. This is heading 2. Heading 2, H2. After saving, save these files and go to the browser and refresh again. Output look like this is heading 2 for H2 tag. Similarly for H3 tag, this is heading 3, H3, and then go to the same browser and this is heading 3 for H3 tag. Okay, for H4 tag, this is heading 4. Okay, for so how it look like in output, just refresh this page. Here you go, this is the heading 4. Okay, for the H4 tag. For H5 tag, just like the content is this is heading 5 and H5 is tag is ending like that, and go to the browser and then again refresh this page. So output look like this is heading 5 for H5 tag. This is the last heading tag in HTML pre-inbuilt is this is heading 6, H6. Okay, this is heading 6. So go to the browser and again refresh. Here you look, the heading tag is vary from here to here. The font size, look here, font size for heading 1 is bigger in comparison to the H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. The font size of H6 tag is smaller in comparison to the H5, H4, H3, H2 and H1. So H6 tag is smaller in comparison to the all other tags H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H1 tag is bigger tag in comparison to the bigger heading tag in comparison to the H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, so in today's sessions I have already covered the HTML heading tag In HTML there are 6 types of heading tag H1 to H6. H1 tag is a bigger tag in comparison to the other all other heading tag, and H6 tag is a smaller in comparison to the all other heading tag. Okay, before wrap up this video, I would like to request all of you kindly practice these sessions. If you have laptop, PC or desktop, then you practice in Notepad++ or Notepad or any other editors. If you have not, then you have definitely mobile phone. Then I have already added a free W3 school editors in descriptions box. You just click on that links, and it will opens a default HTML structure with some codes inside the body part. Just remove this code from body part and put the H1 to H6 code what I have done here, and then you will definitely get the output according to your code. Okay, if you have any issue or any query, then comment below this video, then I will definitely reply you.